guys. In this tutorial we will learn MySQL comments. A comment is a programmer readable explanation or annotation placed in the SQL queries. It is used for the purpose of making the SQL statements easier for humans to understand. In MySQL server, we can write the comments in mainly three ways. First is the using hash symbol, second is the using minus minus symbol, and third is the using slash star, and it's closed by using star slash symbol. Now we see first using hash symbol. Here you can see syntax of the hash symbol. First select statement, then by using hash, here you can write your comment. You can see directly into database how it works. Click your Windows Start button, then search MySQL command line client. Enter your password. Now MySQL is started. Here you can see databases by using show databases command. We have get list of database. Here I use database Vaishali by using use command, use then database name. Now to see the tables, use command show tables. Here we have to get table list which is available in Vaishali database. In this table I use table student. Here first I display the structure of the table. For that, disk table name is the student. This is the structure of the student table. Now we directly access the values by using select command. Select star from table name. Table name is the student. We have to get list of student, or we can say records which are inserted into student table. I have already inserted these two records. Now we will see how hash command works. Hash command is used at the end of the line or SQL statements. Okay, here we applied it. You can use any query here. Here I use select star from table name. Here table name is the student. Then by using hash, here you can use any, here you can give any comment. Here I give comment. I am displaying records from student table. Now I will run it. Okay, here you can see select star from student. This is my query, and then after I use this is comment by using hash. Then I have get successfully output. That means this query gives the student details without parsing comment. Now we will see minus minus symbol. It's same like that hash symbol. You have to firstly specify the query, and then by using minus minus, then you have to specify your comment. Again I use select command. Select star from table name. Table name is a student. Then you have to use minus minus. Then you can give any comment. I am displaying records. Okay, here we got output of this query. Now last comment is the slash star and star slash symbol. This type of comment is similar to the C programming language that can span in multiple lines. We can use this comment in document the block of SQL statement. Now here we will see how it works. First use slash then star. Here you specified your comment. I am displaying records. Then you have to here I started this comment, then here I finish my comment by using slash star, then specified your query by using here I use select star from table name. Table name is the student. Here you can see we have got output by using slash star and star slash comment. Thank you guys.